From what I remember, this road is super gnarly, so just gonna take it slow. It's not super hot. Last time I went, it was super hot and it wasn't very happy. But now it's like 60 degrees outside. I let it warm up a bit and I'm gonna take it slow. Air down the tire just a bit, not too much, because there is a gas station when I get out of here. Before I get in the twisties, it's getting gnarly. I'm gonna look like Ace Ventura. And I'm not sure if they have a compressor. I'm hoping they do. So that's why I didn't air down too much. I just aired down 10 PSI on each tire. See that right there? That's kind of gnarly. Check it out how high I am. I actually made it close to up to the mountain and I realized those were the sides that I was looking for, so I'm going back down, give my transmission a little break, and now get my brakes heated up a bit, but it's just half the mountain, so we should be okay. I made it. A few things fell off, like my curtain, which I'm not surprised because it's heavy, and my hat, but other than that, everything's pretty good. The road is as gnarly as I remember. Because of that, I'm having a celebratory beer. Don't you worry, I had some snacks before I'm drinking. It was a gnarly road, a gnarly 25 minutes. All right. This is somewhat local. I'm not in Joshua Tree, but this is a brewery in Joshua Tree. I've never tried it before, so let's find out. Let's celebrate. Wow, not too bad, not too bad. Cheers. In an effort to improve my eating habits and eat healthier, just because I eat vegetarian, that doesn't always mean that I eat healthy. Once in a while, stop and get some French fries here and there. So salad it is today.
I have you. That's enough to paint lonesome black and blue. Yeah, I have you, and you have me. That puts a bow up in the sky, tells the rain to cease. We've had up, and we've had down. We've had warm nights, we've gone round and round. What I know, this much is true. There ain't a color in the rainbow that shines like you. So let's carve our names into this tree, and then lay beneath the beauty of her leaves. Will the birds and the bees seem to agree that we're strong as a maple, twice as sweet? We've had ups and we've had downs. We've had warm nights, we've gone round and round. What I know, this much is true. There ain't a tree with any leaf that roots me like you.
No, I am constantly amazed of what this van can do. I mean, I just went up a mountain on a pretty gnarly road. Oh yeah. And she handled like a dream. You know, when they say difficult roads lead to beautiful places, or whatever the saying is, it is true, because only at the start or at the beginning of the road, it's a little rocky, and it is pretty rocky, to be honest. And I think it keeps a bunch of people away. I think most people are going to be like, screw this, nope, I'm not going up that. And I was one of them, but I went anyway, because, you know, I'm just a man that does things. Sure, they can fix it and get all those rocks away, but I think they keep it like that, so it keeps it where people turn around and kind of don't go on it, so it's not as busy. And I kind of like that, to be honest, because I can always find a campground. Call it selfish, call it whatever it is. Check out this video up here if you want to see more van life related content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.